Hello and welcome to MoneyTalks, where tomorrow's billionaires find their muse.
Woo!
In this video today, we're taking a deep dive into the lives of the 15 richest DJs in the world. From familiar names like Calvin Harris and David Guetta to new faces like Zedd and Martin Garrix, we'll explore their lives, efforts, and achievements in the music entertainment industry. But let's not keep you waiting any longer. Here are the top 15 wealthiest DJs in the world. First on the list at number 15, we have DJ Pauly D, with a total net worth of around $20 million. DJ Pauly D's real name is Paul Del Vecchio. He's known for his mixes at clubs across the US and has even been on the TV show Jersey Shore. Next on the list at number 14, we have the famous duo DJ Dimitri Vegas and Like Mike, with a total net worth of around $20 million. Dimitri Vegas and Like Mike's real names are Dimitri Theveos, Dimitri Vegas, and Michael Theveos, Like Mike. They are twin brothers from Belgium and both are top-ranked DJs/producers in the world. Their hits include Tremor and The Hum, loved worldwide. At number 13 on the list is Paul Oakenfold, with a total net worth of around $22 million. Paul Oakenfold's real name is Paul Mark Oakenfold, and he is one of the most handsome DJs in the world, known for blending various genres of music, from house to trance. Next, at number 12 on the list, we have Oh Ha Ha, deadmau5, with a total net worth of around $25 million. deadmau5's real name is Joel Thomas Zimmerman. He's one of the most successful EDM musicians in the world and is popular for his unique musical style. He has endorsement deals with brands like Bell Canada and Two Oceans Vodka, which further increases his income. Moving on to number 11, we have Afrojack, with a total net worth of around $30 million. Afrojack's real name is Nick Van de Wall. He has contributed greatly to the development of the house genre and is loved worldwide. He has also signed endorsement deals with brands like Adidas and G-Star. At number 10 on the list is the young talent Martin Garrix, with a total net worth of around $40 million. Martin Garrix's real name is Martijn Gerard Gerritsen. He's one of the youngest and most popular DJs in the world, as well as a musician and music producer. His hits like Animals and Scared to be Lonely have made him one of the most famous figures in the EDM music scene. At number 9 on the list is Skrillex, with a total net worth of around $45 million. Skrillex's real name is Sonny John Moore. He has contributed greatly to the development of the dubstep genre and is popular worldwide. He has endorsement deals with fashion brands like Alexander Wang and Nest. Moving on to number 8 on the list of the world's richest DJs, we have Kaskade, with a total net worth of around $50 million. Kaskade's real name is Ryan Gary Radin. Music is his main source of income, along with endorsement deals with brands like Coca-Cola and Apple. He is one of the most unique DJs/producers and highly regarded by his fans. At number 7, we have one of the most famous DJs/producers in the world and considered a trance music saint, Armin van Buuren, with a total net worth of around $60 million. Armin van Buuren's real name is Armin Joseph Jacobus Daniel van Buuren. He has achieved significant accomplishments in his music career, and music production is his main source of income. Moving on to the number 6 spot on the list, we have Diplo, with a total net worth of around $90 million. Diplo's real name is Thomas Wesley Pence. He's an American musician, DJ, producer, and actor. Music is his main source of income, along with endorsement deals with brands like Bacardi and Calvin Klein. He's also expanding his online stores with his own brand, which helps increase his income. Next up, we have Steve Aoki at number 5 on the list of the world's richest DJs today, with a total net worth of around $120 million. Steve Aoki's real name is Stephen Hiroyuki Aoki. He's one of the most popular DJs worldwide and is the owner of the Benihana style fashion brand, which brings him a significant income. His successful music career also brings him many endorsement deals with fashion brands like Diesel and Bud Light. At number 4 on the list today, we have Zedd with a total net worth of around 140 million US dollars. Zedd's real name is Anton Zaslavsky, and he's one of the most successful EDM musicians in the world. His songs have become hits worldwide. Besides music production as his main source of income, Zedd also has endorsement deals with brands like Coca-Cola and Bud Light, which helps increase his income. Coming in at number 3 on the list of the world's richest DJs is one of the most iconic names in the industry, David Guetta, with an estimated net worth of around 150 million US dollars. Born Pierre David Guetta, he has earned his fortune through music production and touring, as well as endorsement deals with brands like Renault and Beats by Dre. With chart-topping hits like Titanium and When Love Takes Over, David Guetta has captured audiences worldwide and become one of the most successful DJs/producers of all time. At the number 2 spot on the list is one of the most successful DJs in the world, with multiple Grammy wins and a number 1 ranking on the DJ Mag Top 100 DJs list, Tiesto, with an estimated net worth of around 170 million US dollars. Born Tiges Mikhail Verwest, Tiesto has primarily earned this fortune through music production, touring, and brand endorsements. He has also served as a coach on the Dutch version of The Voice. With a long-standing career in the music industry, Tiesto remains a beloved and influential figure on the global stage. One of Tiesto's notable contributions is changing the perception of music in Europe and beyond, pioneering the fusion of different genres, from progressive house to trance, with traditional instruments like guitar, piano, and violin. He also founded the globally popular dance music label Black Hole Recordings, as well as serving as the chairman of the major dance music labels Musical Freedom and AFTR HRS. Tiesto performs regularly at major music events around the world, earning him a devoted fan base of millions. And finally, taking the top spot on the list of the world's richest DJs and at number 1 on the top 15 wealthiest DJs list today, we have, a drum roll please, thank you, Calvin Harris, with an estimated net worth of around 320 million US dollars. Calvin Harris is the stage name of Adam Richard Wiles, who has earned his fortune primarily through music production, as well as brand endorsements and sales revenue from his own label. Through collaborative efforts with H&M, he enjoyed some successful brand promotion and became the face of Calvin Klein. Calvin Harris is a Scottish DJ, music producer, and singer known for chart-topping hits like We Found Love, Summer, and This Is What You Came For. However, there are a few interesting things that not many people know about him, and as you have stayed with us until the end of the video, here is a little bonus for you from MoneyTalks' Top 15 Wealthiest DJs video. Calvin Harris began his career by teaching himself guitar and developing his music production skills using Logic Pro software. In 2007, Calvin Harris's first hit single, Acceptable in the 80s, made it into the top 10 singles chart of the United Kingdom, making him one of the most famous DJs of the time. For his debut album, Calvin Harris played multiple roles as a music producer, songwriter, singer, and sound engineer all at once. Calvin Harris has collaborated with various artists, including Rihanna, Dua Lipa, Ellie Goulding, Katy Perry, and many others. In 2011, Calvin Harris was involved in a car accident and broke both of his legs. He had to step back from singing and performing for a short period of time to recover from the accident. In 2012, Calvin Harris broke Michael Jackson's record by becoming the first artist to have 9 songs from one album reach the top 10 on the UK singles chart. In 2014, Calvin Harris was voted as the world's sexiest man by Glamour magazine. In 2016, Calvin Harris became the first artist to exceed 1 billion streams on Spotify. He is currently the artist with the highest number of streams on Spotify. In 2018, Calvin Harris named an island in the Maldives after himself. He flew there to perform and shared beautiful images on his Instagram. And so we have learned about the 15 richest DJs in the world together, and honestly, I have learned a lot from the information provided by this video. I would like to thank you for joining us throughout the program. We hope that, through our videos, you will always be entertained fully and find useful information as well. Don't forget to follow us so that you don't miss any new information or shows in the future. We will bring you even better experiences. Once again, thank you for watching our program, and we'll see you in the next episodes.